Hey everyone, early in the morning, it's a response to the iPhone fixing the ringer problem. I'm gonna do it right now to demonstrate it. I did it on another phone and it actually worked, so I'm gonna do it on mine now. This is how the ringer sounds beforehand. You can barely hear it. I'm not even gonna try to press it because he already did it earlier. And let that play out. Now I'm simply, look, you know, like you buy anything, but when you buy Crazy Glue, it comes with a little thumbtack thing inside. Perfect size. Now simply, as soon as it stops, right here, he said the bottom right hand side of the phone. These speakers right here. Just simply poke holes in it.
He hollered back at me, no way. All he had on his face was desperation, terror, and contempt. I'm not getting away. You're not going to catch me.
Roy Ratliff presses down on the gas. Hard.
He actually went airborne across here, hit this road down here, off through the brush.
Less than a minute. Now we just simply. It's a big difference. It'll play for all of them. Custom ringtones. Alarm. So simply just poke holes in it in less than a minute. Like he said, the right hand side, because speaker side, left hand side is the no. This side. And that's basically it. Confirmed, it works. Did it in front of your face.